How to fix YouTube something went wrong, try again problem. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix something went wrong, try again error on YouTube. Now the first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search YouTube. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the app. Next, you want to tap and hold on the YouTube icon. Now tap on the I button. Here, you want to scroll down a bit and tap on storage. Now, first tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. This is going to delete all of the application's data. Now, you simply want to launch open YouTube and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to restart your device. So go ahead and tap on the restart option. After your phone has been restarted, launch open YouTube and your issue will be fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.